Are you considering switching to daily contact lenses but aren't sure if they're right for you? One of the main advantages of daily contact lenses is the convenience. They're hassle-free and require no cleaning or maintenance. With daily disposable lenses, you can enjoy a fresh pair every day, eliminating the need for storage solutions and reducing the risk of infections. They are also a great option for people who suffer from allergies, as they are less likely to accumulate allergens compared to longer-lasting lenses. Daily lenses offer great comfort, as they are slightly thinner than reusable lenses. For those who want contact lenses to enjoy outdoor activities or sports, daily contact lenses can be more practical. On the other hand, daily lenses tend to be more expensive compared to longer-lasting lenses, which can be a drawback for those on a tight budget. However, daily contact lenses can actually be a more cost-effective option for those who want lenses for occasional use. They now cater for a variety of prescription types. However, for those with very high prescriptions and astigmatism, it might be more challenging to find the right correction in a daily disposable. Another potential disadvantage is that because daily contact lenses are single-use, they generate more waste compared to monthly or bi-weekly lenses. However, TerraCycle is available to help with this. While daily lenses provide convenience, they also require you to keep a steady supply of lenses on hand to ensure you don't run out. It's important to consult with an eye care professional to determine if daily contact lenses are suitable for your unique needs and lifestyle. They can assess your prescription, examine your eyes, and provide personalized recommendations to help you make an informed decision.